Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using methods in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program by creating a method which will find the maximum of three numbers. For example, if I pass three numbers to this particular method while calling this method, let's say 369, if I pass, this method should return me the maximum number, that is 9, right? In this 369, the maximum number is 9, right? That should be written by this method. Okay. So after that, once I get that maximum number, I would like to print it. So this is what I want to do, guys, in this program. Okay, this is what I want you guys to write in this program. Okay, you need to write a Java program containing a method that should intake three values, three numbers, and out of the three numbers, it should return the maximum number, and that number I want to print as a maximum. Okay, after getting the returned value by this method. So now you can pass this video and write the Java program by yourself. Now after a while, if you are done writing this Java program, you can resume this video. Now watch the solution I am giving. And you can now cross check your Java program with mine and to see whether you are on the same page or not. Okay? Are we on the same page? You may write a different logic, guys. You see, for solving a same Java program, I can write a different logic, you can write a different logic, but are we getting a proper output or not matters. So, fine. Let me start writing the solution for this problem, okay, or program. I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE, and here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this as demo. Think what is the next one? Let's give demo O, and I'll auto generate this main method. Now here in parallel to this main method, public static void, okay, find max number, okay, find the maximum number. You can give any name here, but as I mentioned, this particular method should accept three numbers: int a, comma, int b, comma, int c. Okay, the first number will go into a, second number will go into b, third number will go into c. Now here I'll simply say int max. I'll create one more variable known as int max here. Int max is equal to, so randomly I'll assign one value. Let's say I'll assign a here. Okay, int max is equal to a. Now I'll write the logic if b, the second number b, is greater than max. If b is greater than max, I'm saying max is a. For now, I'm deciding in the beginning itself that a is a max. Okay, because I don't know which number is max. Okay, randomly I'm choosing a is a max number for now. Okay, the value of a I'm storing into the max. So for now, a is a max. Simple words. Okay. Now, if b is greater than max, okay, if b is greater than max, then what I will do? If b is greater than max, what I will do? I'll say max is equal to b. Indirectly, b is greater than a, then only b can be greater than max because already have assigned the value of a to the max. So if b is greater than max means indirectly b is greater than a, so b will be the max one. Okay, so I have to change the value of the max from a to b if this condition satisfies. I'll give one more condition. If after doing this, okay, if c is greater than max, after all this, either a or b is greater than max here. After all this, if c is greater than max, then max is equal to c, I'll declare. So one of the number will be max. I'll simply say return max. Okay, this max can be either a or b or c, we don't know. Okay, depending on what numbers we pass to this method, it will decide. Since I'm returning a maximum number and that will be of integer type, the return type should not be void, guys, it should be int. Now I'll call this method from here, find max number of 3 comma 6 comma 9. Okay, out of this, what is the max I want to find out? Okay, so here I'll say int r1 is equal to, okay, so I'll simply say system.out.println. Sorry, let me write it again. System.out.println r1. Similarly, I'll call this method again. Find maximum number out of, for example, this time I'll give 10 here, 44 here, and 2 here. Which one is a maximum number? In the first one, 9 is a max. The last number is a max. Out of 3, last one is a max. In the second example, here middle number is a max. 44 is the largest one, right? Maximum one. So R2. 44 should be printed here in the second case. Okay. So system.out.println R2. Now in the third one, I'll give one more example. I'm just checking all the possibilities whether this particular logic is working fine in all these cases or not. Okay. For example, if I give 100 here, okay, 50 here, 25 here. Which one is a maximum number? 100, right? First number is a max. Here, middle number is a max. Here, last number is a max. In all these cases, it should find out the maximum number. R3 is equal to. Now here I'll write system.out.println R3. Okay. Now let's run this code. Here 9 should be printed. Otherwise, here I can write maximum number is okay. Maximum is plus R1. I'll write. Okay. It's better, na? Maximum is plus R1. Then here also maximum is plus R2. Here also maximum is plus R3. Let's run this code. You see maximum is 9. In this 369, 9 is the maximum. 10, 44, 22, maximum is 44, middle number. In this 150, 25, maximum is 100. Okay? Clear na? Okay. So this is a solution, guys. You may have approached or written a different logic. Okay. Or you may have written the same logic as mine. That's okay, guys. Whatever the logic you have written, if it is matches with mine or it doesn't match with mine, but if you are getting the proper output here, then you are good to go, guys. Okay. If you are getting the proper output as whatever I got here, then you are good to go. Okay. You solve this problem. Okay. Or you have solved this program. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.